Why your cooking oil matters more than ever, especially for seniors. You likely use cooking oil daily, whether for frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or crafting your favorite stir-fry. But what if the very oil in your pantry is subtly undermining your well-being, potentially harming your heart, upsetting your digestion, or even accelerating aging? This concern is particularly vital for seniors. As we age, our metabolism shifts, arteries become more sensitive, and our bodies are less forgiving of low-quality fats. What might have been acceptable in your younger years could now be contributing to inflammation, weight gain, or spikes in blood pressure. Many assume all cooking oils are similar, or that a vegetable label guarantees health. The reality? Some of the most common oils are heavily processed with chemicals, stripped of their nutrients, and linked to long-term health issues, especially in older adults. This guide cuts through the confusion, offering clear, practical advice. 5 oils to purge from your pantry. These oils are flagged for their detrimental effects, particularly concerning for seniors due to their processing methods, instability, and inflammatory properties. Vegetable oil, a misleading term for a blend of refined oils, often soybean, corn, cottonseed, canola. Chemical extraction, using solvents like hexane, strips nutrients and creates unstable oils that oxidize easily, especially during cooking, producing compounds that can irritate the gut, inflame joints, and stress the heart. Corn oil, high in omega-6 fatty acids, which in excess drive inflammation, a root cause of many chronic diseases. Often extracted with high heat and solvents, it's an unstable fat that becomes more toxic with repeated heating, common in frying. Often derived from GMO corn. Canola oil. Marketed as heart-healthy, most canola is genetically modified, heavily refined, using heat, solvents, bleaching, and its omega-3s are unstable and break down under heat, diminishing any potential anti-inflammatory benefits. Oxidized oils from canola can contribute to arterial inflammation. Soybean oil. Pervasive in processed foods, it's incredibly high in inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids, contributing to a harmful imbalance. Typically from GMO soy, it undergoes extensive processing and has been linked to metabolic disruption and insulin resistance. Cottonseed oil, an industrial byproduct, often from cotton not grown as a food crop, meaning more pesticide exposure. It's high in unstable polyunsaturated fats prone to oxidation, forming harmful compounds linked to inflammation and liver stress, frequently hidden in processed snacks and fast foods. 5 champion oils to embrace in your kitchen. These oils are celebrated for their stability, nutrient profiles, and health-supportive qualities. Extra virgin olive oil, EVO, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, lowers LDL, raises HDL, and potent anti-inflammatory polyphenols. Cold-pressed, it's ideal for low to medium heat cooking, dressings, and finishing dishes, supporting brain and heart health. Avocado oil boasts a very high smoke point, around 500 degrees, making it perfect for high-heat cooking like searing and frying. Packed with monounsaturated fats and lutein for eye health, it retains nutrients well under heat and has a mild, buttery flavor. Walnut oil, a brain-boosting gem, rich in plant-based omega-3s, ALA, that support memory and cognitive function. It's delicate and best used cold, in salad dressings, drizzled over cooked vegetables, or stirred into grains, offering a rich, nutty flavor. Ghee, clarified butter. An ancient staple, virtually lactose and casein-free, making it gentle on digestion. It has a high smoke point, is rich in butyrate, supports gut health, and contains fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K2. Offers a warm, nutty flavor. Macadamia oil, a smooth, buttery oil high in monounsaturated fats, oleic acid, and low in omega-6s. It has a good smoke point, around 410 degrees, making it versatile for sautéing and baking. Its palmitoleic acid content may support metabolic health and skin. For seniors, the choice of cooking oil is a powerful tool for health. Swapping out processed, inflammatory oils for nourishing, stable ones can significantly reduce inflammation, support digestion, protect your heart, and boost energy. It's not about a complete kitchen overhaul, but about making smarter, incremental changes. Start by replacing one problematic oil with a healthier alternative. Read labels, prioritize whole foods, and remember, every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and enhance your well-being. Cooking with care and confidence can lead to profound improvements in how you feel, move, and age.